Hello guys, if you're trying to figure out how to disable the out of bounds rule in Madden 27, there's actually no setting that lets you turn it off. You won't find a toggle for it, there's no option hidden somewhere in the menus, and you can't completely remove the mechanic from gameplay. Going out of bounds is part of the NFL rules, so Madden keeps it active, regardless of which game mode you're playing. What you can do though is adjust some of the gameplay settings to make staying in bounds a little easier. You can lower the difficulty, change your movement sliders, or even improve certain traits for your receivers and ball carriers. These adjustments can give you more control when you're running close to the sideline, but they still won't disable the out of bounds rule itself. So if you accidentally stepped out and thought you might have missed a setting, you're not missing anything. Madden 27 simply doesn't give you a way to turn this rule off. The best thing you can do is fine tune your sliders, work on your movement, and when you're near the sideline, use position catches when appropriate. That can help you stay in bounds more consistently and avoid stepping out when you don't want to. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.